going for swimming lesson.
Go swimming too. Yes.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Like this.
Bye-bye. Oh, dump truck is here.
Wait.
I just throw everything behind. We are here at Zara's school, but we are about 10 minutes late because there's some road construction just now. So it's beyond our control. Let's go in. We need to change you. Let's go. What's that? Wow, it's a ball. They're playing ball. Someone is watching TV. Oh. Oh, look at this. This was Zara last time, and Zara is now here, but Zara can't change to this class because she is not 18 months. This class is for 18 months and above. But Zara already got all her stars. Oh, I just noticed you have 5 here. I thought you will have 4. And well done, superstar. I don't think we can get this for her because we don't have that time. We need to go back to Malaysia.
Yeah, she's swimming. How do you kick in the water?
Kick, kick, kick,
How do you
kick,
kick
kick.
in the water?
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
We need to go now. Let's go. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye-bye out. Bye-bye school. Bye-bye school. Bye school.
Okay, come here.
Only time that you can walk on the grass, okay? Because we cannot walk on the grass at home because there's dog poo everywhere.
Let's go.
Yeah, our car is here. It's not outside. Yeah, we park here. ค่ะโอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้
My car. I'm going back.
Let's go. Yeah. We are home. Let's go. Mom is so hungry. My tummy is growling. Need to go out. Let's go. Bye, flower.
Bye, car.
Go. So the plan today is we will rest at home and later we will go out again after a few hours to go to the beach because today is beach day. So Zara needs her nap. Let's go in. And Babah needs to go to work. Good job. Let's go up.
One eternity later.
Hi Zara. Where are we going? Look at all these bags. We have all the things that we need to go to the beach. So you need my help? I can carry this one. It's a bit heavy. Look at your hair. You have a bow on your hair. We have our food here and the weather is good. Look at the weather. So bright. Let's go. I'm scared to step on the grass because there might be some poo, dog poo. So we are going to the beach today because the weather is so nice. And Sarah has an Aldi here. Look. Let's go to the beach! So we are here now at Aldi. So I'm gonna find Zara's milk for her to drink later because we don't have a drink. Let's go! Look at her hair, her tiny hair. Where's Babah? Go to Babah. Zara, run! Let's go! Let's go! Wow! There's so many. I know it looks like yours, but this is not yours. We brought for you from home, so we don't get to buy this time. Let's go to Babah. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Come on. Say that. Oh gosh.
So what do you have in mind?
We don't have the milk now, so now I'm thinking what to get for her.
Yes.
Well, that custard is considered a drink already, so I hope that suffice. That will be sufficient. So we don't have that milk for Zara, and Zara is going to survive with custard and my nenen, and also some snacks. But it will be just a few hours, 2 hours trip, so it's enough because Zara had her lunch before we came, and before we went out just now, and my nenen is always ready for her. We are going to the beach. So we are here at the beach now. This is just a playground. Sarah is in front with Babah. Let's go secure the place. Wow, so windy. The wind is chilly, but it is sunny. So, wow, look at all this. Where should we sit? No swimming. I think the beach. So it should be at the other side, like that one.
So, stay now?
We can stay here, but because there's no people here, kan? Let's see, we need to find a place to sit down on a mat. So windy. Look at the seagulls. This seagull is going to take our food, but I don't know. There's a bird, Sarah! We're gonna do some setup. Should we set out here? Look at this bird. It's waiting for food. Let's go find a place. So we're gonna bring Zara to the playground first. Ooh, there's an airplane! It's up there! Bye bye airplane!
Ready?
Whoa!
You put your feet?
Take off your... It's not that hot. The sun is good. Take it. Oh! There's an airplane up there! Look up! Wow! Bye airplane! Look at the slides, Sarah! Look at the slides! I'm gonna put my slippers here too. Like that.
Yes.
Your mommy can sit here.
I see. You hands up. In. You ready?
Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Wow. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Round and round the garden.
I'm in a maze now. The sand is cooler in here. Are you Zara? It's a maze. Oh, it's a fish. Bye, fish. Go in, Zara. Babah is inside. Go in. Where's Babah?
What's this?
Fish. How do you say please? Okay.
Okay, go.
So bright. You need to wear your glasses actually.
Change first. Are you cold?
Pants?
Yes, your pants? Okay, let's go.
Ah, why am I wearing a slipper? It's just here. That's foam. Look at the boat, Zara.
Go, chase mommy, chase mommy. You're so silly. Come, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Oh.
Look at our settings because the wind is so strong, so we can only do this setup. It's a bit messy. Are you done playing?
Look at you, you are pale blue. Are you cold? No? Are you not cold?
We're shivering.
You're shivering. Yeah, we need to wash.
Zara is going to have her shower. We need to clean her up because she's cold now. The wind is so strong here and it's cold. The water is so cold here. Pala. Paksa, balik rumah terus kata.
Bajunya terus balik rumah. Cold?
Of course. I think you're gonna shower at home because it's too cold for her. The beach here is different compared to the one in Malaysia. So it's super sunny. It's a good day. You can play in the water. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. But when you come out from the water, it is super cold, especially for a baby. So we're planning to just stop here. Gonna have our bite and then we're gonna go off and shower at home. I didn't get to vlog properly just now because we are rushing due to the cold wind. Zara is so cold, she's shivering, so we just need to rinse off her feet and also her slippers, and us too, we need to rinse off. Oh my goodness! I was thinking about the food just now that I forgot Zara's slipper. I was supposed to bring Zara's slipper here so that I can rinse it off. But as usual, I am as silly I can be. So, I'm sorry! Wait, I'm rinsing. Zara is so cold.
Yeah, I know you're cold. Are you cold?
No.
You are! You're shivering!
Are you cold? Oh,
Hi,
okay.
bud.
Hi, bud. Are you cold?
No.
But you're shivering.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, you are. Let's go now. Oh, hi, airplane. I can't see. You're somewhere. Look at us. We are sticky and we smell like the sand and sea. This beach is 30 minutes from our house, so it's so near. Can you pull it? Thank you. We don't get to go to the beach often because it is near, but we don't have the time.
Someone's going to pee.
So here we are in the car. Look at Zara. We need to rush back home. We will not do this if we have a proper plan. But this is just,
Sudden.
it's so sudden. So we don't have that proper planning to get to the beach. We don't know where to go, which beach, which spot. But we had fun. Zara had fun. And I'm gonna eat in the car. Do you wanna eat? No. We are home after a long day. It's not even long actually. So that's about it. That's our day today.
Okay, bye-bye to the gamers.
Say bye-bye. I see you in our next video. Bye.
Kiss.